Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to pin important emails in Gmail. Friends, if you want all your important emails to appear on the top on inbox, then you simply need to press the star button on the email. Now I have star marked one email. Like this I will star mark one more email. Now I have star marked two emails. Now I want to see all star marked email in my inbox. For that I need to press on the three lines. Now here I need to press on start. Now here it will show all the star marked emails in my inbox. So friends, like this you can very easily pin and star mark your important emails in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.